Hello dear students, today we will study about conversion of trigonometric functions. In class 11, we have to convert some trigonometric function in the other trigonometric function. Like if I say what is sine 90 minus theta, the answer will be cos theta. We have done this in class 10. Now we will move from 90 minus to 90 plus. Like if I ask what is sine 90 plus theta, it becomes cos theta. So how will you convert this? 90 plus theta or 90 minus theta? First of all, you must learn this table that this is called 0 degree angle, this is called 90 degree, this is 180 degree, and this is 270. Again, if one rotation, it again becomes 360 degree. So now there is some rule to make these conversion. Like in 90 plus theta or 90 minus theta means this is 90, this is 90 minus theta, and this is 90 plus theta, right? Or oblique 270 plus theta or 270 minus theta. This angle is 270, like 90 plus 90 plus 90. This is 270. So this is 270 plus theta and this is 270 minus theta, right? So if 90 plus minus theta is there or 270 plus minus theta is there, sine will convert into cos, cos will convert into sine. Tan in cot, cot in tan. Secant in cosecant and cosecant in secant, according to their sign. Here according to their sign means, like if I say in the first quadrant, what is the sign of all the trigonometric function? All the trigonometric functions are positive. You must know this in last class. In second quadrant, only two are positive. One is sine and the second is cosec, the reciprocal of cosec. In the third quadrant, only two are positive. One is tan and the other cot, reciprocal of tan. And the fourth quadrant, two are positive. One is cos and the second is the reciprocal of cos. That means secant, sec. So according to sign means according to their these sign. Like that means say is 90 plus theta or minus theta or 270 minus theta, 270 plus theta. Here are some examples. If you ask what is the value of sine 90 minus theta, so for what will you do first? You will check this angle first. Like 90 minus theta, that means angle lies in the first quadrant. In first quadrant, all are positive. According to their sign means according to these signs. Like in first quadrant, all the six trigonometric functions are positive. So 90 minus theta means first quadrant. In first quadrant, all are positive. So sine is also positive. But sine will convert, according to this rule, sine will convert into cos. So it will become cos theta. Now, 90 plus theta, sine 90 plus theta. 90 plus theta means 90 plus, means something here. This is second quadrant. In second quadrant, what is the sign of this sign? Again, it is positive. And sine will convert into cos, according to this rule. So sine 90 plus theta is again cos theta. Now come to this point. Cos 90 minus theta means 90 minus means again first quadrant. In first quadrant, all are positive. So cos is also positive. And cos will convert into sine. So positive sine theta. Positive cos theta, positive cos theta. Now cos 90 plus theta. Look at here. 90 plus means again second quadrant. In second quadrant, the sign of cos is negative because cos is positive in fourth quadrant. So because of this is written as cos and cos in second quadrant is negative. So this will come negative sign. And according to this rule, cos will convert into sine. So answer will be minus sin theta. Again check this. 90 plus means again second quadrant. In second quadrant, the sign of tan is negative. 90 plus means this, and in this tan is negative, but will become negative, right? And tan will convert into cot. So this is minus cot theta. Again, the rule for 90 minus theta or 90 plus theta, the rule are same for 270 plus theta or 270 minus theta. Like 270 plus means fourth quadrant. See, 270 plus means fourth. In fourth quadrant, the sign means SIGN. The sign of sign is negative, so answer will be negative. And in 270 plus or minus, sign will convert into cos, so answer will be minus cos. Again, 270 minus means again third quadrant. In third quadrant, the sign SIGN of sign function is negative. This is negative, and in this 270 minus, sign will convert into cos. This is minus cos theta. So the rules for 90 plus theta or 90 minus theta are same for 270 plus theta or 270 minus theta. So let me randomly ask you one question, like what will be the value of cosecant 90 plus theta. First you will see this. This is the second quadrant. In second quadrant, cosecant and sine both are positive. The answer will be in the form of positive. But according to that rule, 90 plus or that 90 minus rule, cosec will convert into sec. The answer will be plus secant. Take one more example. If I ask like cos 270 plus theta. Again, 270 means this line, plus theta means in fourth quadrant. 270 plus theta means in fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, the sign SIGN of cos is positive. The answer will be in the form of positive. But cos will convert into sine. So sine. Similarly, let us take one more example. If we ask cos 270 minus theta. Again, 270 minus means third. In third quadrant, the sign of cos is negative. The answer will be negative, and cos will become sine. So sine. Fine. Now again conversion of trigonometric functions in horizontal line. Horizontal line means the line of 180 degree. This is 180 degree. This is 360 degree. So if we make the quadrant, so this quadrant is 180 minus, and this is 180 plus. 180 plus. This is 360 minus theta, and this is 360 plus theta. This second quadrant can be written as 90 plus or 180 minus. Third means 180 plus or 270 minus. Fourth means 270 plus or 360 minus. First means 90 minus or 0 plus or 360 plus again. Now the rules are different. For this horizontal line, if we say 180 plus minus this side or 360 plus minus this side, the rules are like this. Sine will remain only sine, means sine will not be converted into cos. Cos will not be converted into sine. These will be remaining same according to their sign. Means cot will not convert into tan. Cot will remain cot, but here it may be negative cot or positive cot. Like here, if I ask what is the value of sin 180 minus theta degree, 180 minus means 180 you are subtracting something from 180. 180 minus means this is the second quadrant. In second quadrant, sin is positive. The answer will be of positive. And sin will not convert into cos because this is not 90 degree. This is of 180. Sin will remain only sin. See, sin will remain only sin. So minus, and 180 minus means second. In second, the sign of sin is positive. So answer is positive, and sin will remain sin. Positive sin theta. Now if we speak about 180 plus means third quadrant. Sin 180 plus means here. In third quadrant, the sign of sine is negative. The answer will be negative. And sine will not be cos. Sine will remain sine. So sine theta. Means sine 180 minus theta degree is sine theta. But sine 180 plus theta degree is equal to minus sine theta. According to same rule, 180 minus means second. In second, the sign of tan is negative. The answer will be negative. And tan will remain only tan. Tan 180 plus theta means third. In third, the sign of tan is positive. The answer will be positive. And tan will remain only tan. 360 minus means fourth. In fourth, the sign of tan is negative. So negative. And tan will remain only tan. Negative tan. So if I give you one or two questions, and keeping this in mind, and ask what is the value of cot 270 minus theta and the value of cot 180 plus theta. See, one is a vertical line, means 270 minus means in third quadrant. See, 270 minus means third quadrant, and 180 plus is also third quadrant. But rule are different for vertical line and horizontal line. This is of vertical line means like this. This is 270 minus means from this we are subtracting. So this is 270 minus theta. And if we see this 180, so this is 180 and plus means 180 plus theta. It means both the angles are in the third quadrant, but rule are different for both the angles. Like if we say 270 minus, in 270 plus or minus, cot will become 10 and 10 will become cot according to their sign. According to their sign means 270 minus means third, and in third quadrant cot and 10 both are positive. So answer will be of positive. But because of this vertical line, cot will become 10. So answer will be 10 theta. Now come to this point, 180 plus means again this is also in third quadrant. In third quadrant, cot and tan both are positive. So answer will be again positive. But because of this horizontal line, 180 plus or 180 minus, cot will not become tan. It will remain only cot. So this is the difference between cot 270 minus theta or cot 180 plus theta. Means first is you will see this thing, in which angle, in which quadrant this angle line. Then you will see this. What is the role of this trigonometric function in that quadrant? If it is positive, then make it positive. If it is negative, then make it negative. Now this last rule is, this is vertical line. So in vertical line, cot will become 10, 10 will become cot. In horizontal line, cot will remain cot and 10 will remain